Take a look at this. This is what we know as Spotlight on macOS. Do you think we can get this? You probably say, no, there's no way to get this on Linux. Though there is a way to get it on macOS because it's already pre-built. But in this video, I will be showing you within a minute how you can get the Spotlight on macOS, or Linux, sorry, not macOS, how you can get it on Linux. The one and only thing you have to do just to get it on macOS is go to extensions.gnome.org and type light search, which is this extension, and download it. After you download this, you can press the CTRL Windows button and space to get the Spotlight. Now, if I type something, let's say Firefox, I type Firefox and I hit enter, I get that. So with Spotlight, you can be able to maximize your productivity. So if you really think that Spotlight would be very useful for you, you can just go and download the extension, and without any problems you'll be able to use Spotlight for free. So if I turn this off, it doesn't work. Now if I do turn it on, it starts working and gives me a macOS kind of experience. Let's see. Here we go. If I type OBS, it'll just take me to OBS, and if I click on stop recording, it'll stop record, which means I'll see you in the next video.